Good day, everyone. So today we will have your first lesson in Block 7. So are you ready now to listen? Good. So let's start with a presentation of the place value blocks. How many hundreds, tens, and ones are there? Again, how many hundreds, tens, and ones are there? Very good. By counting the hundreds blocks, we can know how many hundreds, and counting the number of the tens blocks, we will know the number of tens and also our ones. So let's count. 1, 2. So we have 200s. How about the tens? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 tens. How about the ones? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 ones. So in simplest way, we have 200s, 9 tens, 3 ones. So what is the number we can form of this place value blocks? Very good. That is 293. Can you tell me what is the expanded form of 293? When you say expanded form, it is the writing of numbers to specify or specific the value of each place value or place digits. Okay, let's start with the hundreds, which is 2. 2 times 100, that is 200, plus 9 times 10, it's 90, plus 3 times 1, it's equal to 3. So we have the expanded form of 293, which is 200 plus 90 plus 3. So today we will learn about adding numbers by expanding. This would be your first lesson in Block 7. So this would be our aim for today. I want you to pause the video and able for you to write the following in your math notebook. We will add 3-digit numbers using the expanded form. A. We will add 3-digit numbers using the expanded form. Okay, I guess you're done writing our aim for today. We'll continue with our activity. With instruction, write the expanded form for each of the numbers, then add the hundreds, tens, and ones together to get the sum. Again, write the expanded form for each of the numbers, then add the hundreds, tens, and ones together to get the final sum. So let's start with example letter A. We have 759 plus 175 is equal to blank. So we need to find out what is the sum of the two 3-digit numbers. So the first thing we need to do is to expand the two addends. So we have the expanded form of 759, which is 700 plus 50 plus 9. And the expanded form of 175 is 100 plus 70 plus 5. So we need to add them using the following box. So let's start adding in our ones. 9 plus 5, that's 14. We cannot put 2-digit in our ones, so we need to expand 14. That is 10 plus 4. So the 10 will be moved in our tens. So I put it in the top of our tens. So now we will go on, proceed to our tens. 10 plus 50, that is 60. 60 plus 70, that is equal to 130. Now, in your tens, you cannot put 3 digits number. So you need to separate our hundreds and tens. So we got 100 plus 30. So our 100 will be moved in our hundreds. Plus 100. Now we will proceed adding our hundreds. 100 plus 700 is equal to 800. 800 plus 100 is equal to 900. So we need to add the remaining numbers. We have 900 plus 30 plus 4. So the final answer is 934. Now it's your turn to answer activity B and C. I want you to pause the video and answer the following activity in your math notebook. After that, we will check your answer. I guess everybody's done answering activity B and C. So let's check your answer if you got the correct final sum. So we have 604 plus 379. So the first thing we need to do is to expand the following. So the first addend expanded form is 600 plus 0 plus 4, while the second addend is 300 plus 70 plus 9. So we need to add the following starting with our ones. Always remember to start adding in our ones. 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. So we need to expand 13. 10 plus 3. So we need to move our 10 in our tens. So 10 plus 0 is equal to 10. 10 plus 70 is equal to 80. Now, we will move with our hundreds. 600 plus 300 is equivalent to 900. So we need to add following partial sum. So we have 900 plus 80 plus 3. So the final answer is 983. You got the same answer? Very good. Let's proceed with letter C. We have 352 plus 237. Again, we need to do the steps that are given to us in our instruction. We need to expand our two addends. After that, we need to add starting with our ones. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. 50 plus 30 is equal to 80. 300 plus 200 is equivalent to 500. So the final answer for letter C is 589. So what are the steps for adding 3-digit numbers using the expanded form? Always remember the steps. Expand the two addends, then add starting from your ones, then tens and hundreds. If your ones and tens are more than by its place value digit, then you need to move it to your next highest value, the same as we did in our activity. Then, do not forget to add all together to get your final sum. So you have a great job in answering your activity. Now let's try more harder. Add 140 plus 212 plus 536 using the expanded form. The same as we did in our activity, we need to expand them, then add the following, starting from your ones going to your hundreds. So we have expanded 140 by 100 plus 40 plus 0, 212, 200 plus 10 plus 2. 536, we have 500 plus 30 plus 6. So we need to add the following. So start with your ones. 0 plus 2 plus 6, we 8. How about in your tens? 40 plus 10 plus 30, we got this partial sum of 80. How about in your hundreds? 100 plus 200, that is 300, plus 500, it's 800. So we need to add the following to get our final sum. So we can see that adding this following three addends is equivalent or equal to 888. Now that you know how to add numbers or three-digit numbers using expanded form, I want you to work on with your workbook in page 31. Again, I want you to work on with your workbook in page 35 and do not forget to submit it. After answering, submit it in our classwork. So that would be all for today. God bless.